Hello. In this lab, I wanted to demonstrate using a Lambda script how we can start or stop instances at regular intervals. So let me quickly go through. The first step is that I create an instance, okay, here using this EC2, and then using a Lambda script, I will start and stop the instances. And also, I'll be explaining about how you can manage using this IAM. Okay, so first and foremost thing is that I launch an EC2 simple Amazon Linux 2 instance. So with all basic defaults, a T2 micro, that's enough for me, and I say review and launch. I just say launch. So this completes my instance launching. So my instance should start very soon. Yeah, new instances. I can see the server is pending. And this is my instance ID. I just copy this particular one. So here I also tell you there is a guide for to do this exercise. How do I stop and start Amazon EC2 instance at regular intervals using Lambda? So here, as I have created, you can use this IAM policy also, but I will show you how you can create an IAM policy and attach to this one. So this is your code which is needed in Lambda to execute and then to deploy. So this is the same one. This is the same one which I have copied. So here I am using this region as US East -1 because I am using my region as North Virginia. Okay, and instance ID I'm just replacing with my own instance ID. This is the one which I have just got through. So this is for stop instances, that the script. For start, I define this as start instance, start underscore instances, and started. So this is small Python script. Okay, so here I go to IAM. In this, I go to IAM and create a role. The first task is done, the instance is running. Okay, so here I don't have any role. I create a role. So here you see this one, I don't have any role. I create a role. I take this service as a lambda. I take this service as lambda. Okay, don't select anything. I'll later on add the policy. Just say next. Maybe I'll say lambda. Okay, EC2. I'll say like this, EC2, something like this. So don't attach any policy. So just create a role. Okay, the role is created. The role is created, but we need to attach a policy to this. So we don't have any policy here. Go to permissions and just say create an inline policy. Create an inline policy. Okay, so here I choose a service because since this lambda needs to go and trigger with EC2, I'll select EC2 service. Needs to communicate that. So here a specific action policies, I say maybe start. I'll say start instances. I'll take one, and also I'll say stop instances. I'll take two. Yeah, done. So these are the instances. I can say close. Start and stop instance only I want to give permissions. So resources, yes, specific. Under instance, I select this ARN. Okay, the region is I don't want to say any. Otherwise, also I can say any region. This is my account ID, and instance ID. I need to have my own. Yeah, this is the one which should match my instance. You see this one, 35D4. Exactly, it should come 35D4. And then the ARN instance, ARN will automatically gets updated. Just say add. Okay, so scroll down, review the policy. Yes, give the policy name as maybe lambda, LAMB, lambda, or maybe I can say EC2. Or I can give my name. I can give my name. Lambda policy, I can say. Policy. Some name I can give. So the policy, the service, the role is now created. You can see this one. Here, this is the summary. The lambda EC2 is now attached to this role. If you want, you can generate policy based on maybe cloud trial events, but this is enough. You can just verify the role. You should see a role called as Lambda EC2. Under that, you should also see your Lambda policy, okay, just for your verification. This is the second task. And just wait. You should see the start and stop instances also. Yeah, there are two actions which are there. You see start and stop instance. Perfect. Perfect. So this is about the second task, which is in IAM. Okay. So now let me go to what we call as this Lambda itself. In under compute Lambda, I just create a role. I just create a function now under Lambda. So my task is to basically to stop this instance. So already I have again a function written. So now create a Lambda application. Okay, no dashboard. Create a function, not application. Author from scratch. Author from scratch. The function name maybe I can say lambda stop. I'll say otherwise instance. So I'll take this runtime as Python 3.9 is also okay. So just attach the permissions, especially you have created the role, the existing role as Lambda EC2. Okay, create the function. Yes, in a minutes of time, you should see the function is created. Yes, it is done. So now remove all the default code. I don't require here. This one also, right? And just paste your script which is there. Ensure that your script is properly modified. Okay, region is selected well. Okay, instance also ID, and of course yes. Yeah, I can save this one. Yes, now the code is ready to be executed. So now what I do here, I can say deploy. Yeah, successfully updated. Now I can start execution. Right, create a new event. Maybe I can say event 1. Just a save. Right, you got a message. Now let me just deploy this particular one. Yes, it's execution. Yeah, you can see this event request has yes, request ID. Stop your instances. It has stopped. Let me check by refreshing. Yes, it is stopping the instance. You can see it has stopping the instance. It has triggered. So now let me change this one. Let me change this one to what I can do is like I can say start. Start your instances, and you can say save. So now what I do is that after making the changes, you see this one, this instance is stopped now. Let me start using this one. So I save this script, okay, and I'll say deploy this one, okay, updating the function, right, and say test. See this one, start your instances, so start request ID. Right, let me just refresh to see. Yeah, it has started. It has started. It has come to pending. So in this way, you can trigger your instance. I mean, you can write your script from Lambda to instance start or stop. Okay. Thank you everyone and bye.